goes out. Power outages can be unpredictable and inconvenient. But with a Generac home standby generator, your life goes when you need it the most.
Number one thing to prepare for is extended power outages. Don't make it so hard on yourself. Have a Generac home standby generator.
And special financing and low monthly payment options are available. Call or go online now to request your free quote. Power your
What you got,
life with
Scott?
Generac.
When it
What
comes
you
to my
got?
daily heart health supplement, I've got 3 rules. It's got to be plant-based. It's got to be doctor recommended.
He'll worry over that bone for the next 20 minutes, prancing, parading it from room to room, before he finally finds a suitable place to bury it.
It works. I swear by it. And I know you're going to love it too.
Under blankets or dirty laundry or under the snow out back. And there he goes. He's hiding it in the cushions of the couch.